In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of Mail on iPhone. So if you've got a Mail account that's on your iPhone on the Mail app and you want to sign out, this should help. This will be an updated video for your version of your iPhone. So what you want to do is go ahead and open the Settings app. Once you've opened the settings, all you need to do from here is go to the search bar and type in Mail. Now, once you do that, you are going to get loads of things that appear. If you just go ahead and click search, you need to look now for the Mail app. So if you scroll down enough, you'll see Mail and Apps. It's the top one here for me. So you want to click on the Mail app. Not any of these other Mail shortcuts. It needs to be Mail Apps. So go to that and it should take you to the homepage of the Mail apps. Here you'll see your Mail accounts. In my case, I've got 2 connected. You click on Mail accounts. Then you'll see both of these accounts. You can go ahead and click on it. I'm going to remove this Gmail account. So we'll click on Gmail. Here we can go ahead and change the label and some settings, but most importantly, we can delete the account. This won't delete the actual email, it will just delete it from your phone. So click delete account and then delete from my iPhone. And there you go, you've now deleted your email from the Mail app. You can do that for all of the accounts in this window.